Hey guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, we will be making this power adapter. First, I will scale the cube in Z-axis. This is enough. So, while looking at the top, I also scale it, maybe in the X-axis. Don't forget to apply scale. Just select the first faces and press I to insert. Then while those edges are still selected, I press Ctrl Shift B. Instead of Ctrl B, I just use vertex bevel, Ctrl Shift B. And if you use your mouse scroll, you can adjust the resolution, but 2 is enough for me. Yeah. Okay. I just merge those in the center by pressing M. And also add a vertex. Nice. And just select this face. And extrude it along the normals, but it's kind of quite large. So I just scale it one more time. Insert it one more time. Yeah, that's nice. I'm looking at in the front, and I will just model those indentations, additional parts, just bring my cursor. Okay, I just go into the edge mode, edit mode, and just control and click those second circle, but as you can see I can't. That's why I just control and click in that hierarchy panel and go into the edit mode while in the cubes edit mode and knife project. Yeah, that's nice. Now I can mirror it maybe and apply the mirror. Okay. I just select those edges also and bring them to the front. Yeah, looking nice. Right now I'm making this piece. Yeah, it's kinda looking nice. And I also apply scale and rotation one more time. And maybe try auto smooth. But yeah, I will add bevel. You can just go and type bevel here and apply. I use a paid add-on called Hardops, but you can do it in that place easily. You can also add those indentation too if you want. Just select the faces and shift D and separate it. Maybe I press S and shift Z, and that's why it's stuck in the Z axis. It's not moving in the Z axis, just X and Y. And now add a solidify. Also bring the bevel to bottom. Maybe reduce it slightly. The bevel also. And yeah, it's looking nice. Yeah. So I hope you like the video, guys, and if you have any suggestions for the next model, you can write in the comments. See you in the next video.